How to Share Your Google Business Profile by Shepherd's Loft Web Design Agency. Go to google.com and search for Google Business Profile. You'll see a link that says Google Business Profile. You click on it, it should bring you here to business.google.com. Click on the sign in link, and then you should see a page that looks like this. If you're the owner of the business, you'll be able to proceed, find your particular profile. On the far right, click See Your Profile. Once you're on your profile, in the top middle of the screen, you're going to see a profile strength with a little circle. Click on these vertical triple dots in the middle. Click on Business Profile Settings. Click on People and Access, and then click the Add button. Once you click the Add button, make sure you are giving owner the proper access. Type in the email address and then click the Invite button. How to Share Your Google Business Profile by Shepherd's Loft Web Design Agency.